Hey, this is VMAN from Slipknot. I'm at Origin Effects HQ today, and I came here to build this pedal, and I've also signed it as well.
You're slowing me down.
You can't have anyone beat it Gordon this time.
Critical to quality. Take care to avoid scratching the external faces of the metal. I'll try my best. Oh, I like that. It's got a bit of tape on it to stop it from marring the top. Very nice. So does everyone just do races here then? See quickly.
We do it as a productivity kick when we're in a bit of a slump.
How many of these do you have across your rigs?
There's only one in each rig, but I think I've got. Then I've got one in the jam room. So the other jam room says 4 on tour, and then we've got a backup in each rig, so 6. Yeah.
So presumably you've got like at least 2 rigs, like you do a rig and a...
We have 2, an A and a B rig, and then
redundancy in each.
Yeah.
Rushing along because the hard drive's filling up.
Being a chance to win it, just follow the instructions in the description below this video. Good luck.
There you go.
See.
It just needed to be in front of me, and I could do it.
He's only gone and done it. It's the panel, mate.
Oh, the panel. Alright, can I have another attempt next? I think I know what I'm doing there.